Good day, my dear friends. I'm hoping you have a great day. And today I want to share with you my epic fail 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. I got the recipe from TikTok. Never ever get the recipes from TikTok unless it's my own recipes, but that's beside the story. If you want a great recipe for the cookies, you can check this link. For these 3-ingredient cookies, the review's been great. People keep saying, oh, we make it at home all the time. So I tried it. It's only 3 ingredients. You need peanut butter, you need 1 egg, and sugar. You put them in a mixing bowl, you mix it together, and you make a little balls. You put them on a placement sheet and you bake them. Here the problem started when I made my mixture. My mixture was very sticky. I couldn't make any balls like I saw it on the internet. It was sticky, so I had to use a spoon. I distributed the cookies with a spoon. I flattened them a little bit and I said, okay, wherever they're gonna bake. Baking time on TikTok was 7 to 8 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes, my cookies were not even close to be ready. I had to leave them there for another 7 to 8 minutes. Again, they've been very soggy, they've been falling apart. So my total baking time took probably like 20 to 25 minutes. And even after I pulled them out, cookies been very soft. They've been falling apart. I said, okay, let it cool for a little bit. They become harder, so it's gonna be more pleasant to eat. But even the taste of this product was disgusting. It was powdery, it would stick to in your mouth, it would fall apart. The cookie recipe was epic fail. So next time you want to make something from TikTok, think twice. So I hope you like this video, my dear friends. I hope you don't forget to subscribe, press this bell, press this thumbs up, and I see you next time.